The postman's been. We have a box from Pop in a Box.
Yep.
Once you pop.
You can't stop. Cue intro.
Doo-doo.
So we have our box. Just a single pop in this. It's from Pop in a Box, as we said earlier. We do have a 2-pop subscription, but clearly that is not a 2-pop. So it's probably one that we've pre-ordered.
Can't remember.
Can't remember. That's that. Yep. So let's open it up and find out. And to open up the box, we need the cutter. What's it called?
The cutter.
The cutter. Cut!
Open the box.
Open the box.
Can you open the box?
I can't open the box.
Don't look at it.
I will look.
Can't I get it?
You can get it. Yes, there you go.
Oh no! What is it?
I don't know.
I did see for a second.
Oh, hey, my love.
That's really hard to get out.
Careful.
I have to go like this. Are you ready? What's in the box?
What's in the box?
Set that. I got it. There's the back.
I'll tell you what. Pop in the Box do a far better job at packaging than Amazon.
Although there's no bubble wrap on top of it. It's just on the bottom.
It's just on the bottom.
Well, at least it's not moving about.
Yeah, it's there, so it's fine.
What is it?
Alright, let's see. Big reveal.
1, 2, 3, go!
It is! It's Josh from Big!
I haven't looked at it yet. Oh, that's the one I've been waiting for ages.
Yeah, that's the one we've been waiting for.
Oh,
that's really cool.
Oh, he's on a piano.
Yeah, so for those that have seen the film Big, you know, there's a scene where he's jumping around on the piano, and that's what that is immortalising. So that's cool. So which means the next thing that we get from Pop in a Box should be our subscription mystery box. I mean, the one thing I think that separates Pop in a Box from the other subscriptions is you can actually choose what you want. You look at all the pops on the site. You can click I want this, don't want this, or add to my collection for the ones you've already got. We have a big equal list as. I think I went through the entire site, so, you know, I want this, don't want this collection. So you're guaranteed to get something that you actually want, which is great, because the other ones, especially double box toys, it's a gamble, and it's an expensive gamble as well. They seem to add quite a bit on for postage, even though it's a UK company. But with this, very happy. Are you happy?
I'm happy.
That's good.
I've
because
been waiting for this one, even though I forgot it was coming.
Yeah, because we pre-ordered it that long ago.
Months ago.
I'll
be sticking it in pop protectors later.
Oh yes.
I'll be
in fact,
how to make a pop protector.
Cover up the address, but look, our PP Joe pop protectors have arrived as well at the same time. So we'll be doing a little video on that as well, and Jo will be showing everyone how to put them together properly, seeing as she's now an expert. So stay tuned.
Don't take much
for that one. It doesn't take what?
To do that. I'm an expert.
You could break them.
Yeah, it's easy.
It's
Sunday morning.
Yes. But we'll see how just how easy it is in another video. Probably the next one we do. Unless Becky Lynch finally arrives from Amazon. Unprotected. But that's yeah, we've got this little mental playlist of, or should I say, to-do list of of videos that we want to do with Pops. Seeing as it's we're not exactly travelling much at the moment, but it's fine. We will do more travel videos at some point, but it's nice to have a nice sort of balance because we're both, say, pop addicts. And then once we get all the shelves sorted, rebalanced, and in the correct room, give you a little guided tour of everything we've got as well. So you can stay tuned for that. Anyway, thank you. What?
Stop waffling.
I'm not waffling. You're waffling with your silent waffling.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah.
Sorry.
Maybe it is my train of thought now.
Yeah, carry on.
Dear, oh dear. Yeah, so if you haven't already, hit subscribe, you know, to follow all our nonsense. And in the meantime, have a nice day. We'll see you. Yeah.
Have a nice day.
Hello. Probably a bit late for hello, but it's fine. We'll see you in the next one. Which makes no sense because we can't physically see the viewers, but it's a YouTube catchphrase apparently. So thanks for watching and farewell.